What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Jesse W. And today I'm going to show you a really nice setup that you can use this week. Check it out. Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you a setup that I call the secondary 9AMA setup. It's a setup that I like to use to the short or the long side depending on what I'm trading. In this case it's to the short side, that I use usually as either a second trade on the day, third trade on the day, or possibly my first trade on the day if I missed out on the first setups. Now this last week here I've been sick and I've had some days where I just haven't been feeling all that well, and it's caused me to miss out on some setups because I just haven't been able to be fully focused. Nonetheless, it's been a great week. I only had one red day all week long, which was Monday, very first trading day of the year. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you the setup on the chart, then I'm going to show you the live trade recorded, and we'll go and jump into that. But before we do, let me let you know that I stream Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So swing on by. That's pre-market live stream. We tailor out our programs and our plans for the day. All right, send out the free watch list to everyone as well. So come on by to the stream and check that out Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. In the future, I will start streaming on Fridays as well. Now, I also need you to do me one quick favor. Just one quick favor, and that's smash the like button for me. It really goes out a long way here with the channel, and consider subscribing to the channel if you're new. Now let's go ahead and jump into the chart real quick. Now here you see this is my layout. Usually you have my TSLA 2000 scanners and charts and my trade idea scanners. There is a link in the description section and comment section to a 15% off trade ideas, so you can get 15% off your TI subscription. Now this trade was on January 4th, and I was waiting all morning for a good setup for Tesla, and somehow I don't remember exactly what the cause was. I think maybe it was I didn't get up there long enough towards the VWAP, but I did not catch that trade there. I didn't catch that setup there. I think it was because I was waiting for it to get a little bit closer to that VWAP zone. Maybe I got a little bit too picky. After that, Tesla dumped. Okay, and right in here in this range, I actually had gotten on the microphone and I said, guys, I'm gonna watch and see if Tesla can give me a setup here where it can bounce back into the 1080s area. Why? Well, at the time, the 1080, you had the 38.2 Fibonacci, and you also had, wait, it was actually here. You had the 23.6 Fibonacci coming up here into play, and the 9 AMA in front of this 1170 to 1080 zone, and it was this previous support zone right here. You know, 1077, 1078. I was watching that general area, but Tesla started to bounce, and it only got as high as 1073. So I was like, well, that's no good. I can't take, you know, my short setup there. So I waited, and then we started to bounce around here. I said, okay, well, maybe here now we can bounce back into the 1070s. Nope, didn't bounce into the 1070s. Bounced up as high as 1060 something, and then we sold off. And we got all the way down here to the 1030s, which was my final target on Tesla. And I said, all right, guys, well, now what I'm going to watch is see if I can get a bounce back into this 9 AMA, 23.6 fib level, 1050 zone, which I know is a zone on the daily chart on Tesla that could show up and be resistance. So right in there, we got our test, and I went ahead and finally got my puts. I got the 1140 puts, January 7th expiration date. I got those, and I was in those at an average price of $26.52. Yes, $26.52. And I was looking to ride those towards the bottom here. Okay. Now you'll see how I enter here, and what I do is I'll show you the live trade in a minute. Quickly take a piece of profit off, quickly take some more, and as we dumped, I got flat, and Tesla after that recovered and came back down later in the day and tested the lows. Now let me grab the live trade here for you, and I'll show you exactly what that looked like. So here is the live trade. You'll see I'm in just 3 contracts. Tesla, the 7th expiration, 1140 put options, cost basis 26.52, because I did scale into it. you'll see here, what I normally do is, you see, this is my options chain. This is where I enter my trades. I usually do enter a market. And then over here, I have two more order boxes. I'll put out my orders on the ask on that one, on those. So you'll see here really quickly. See how I put one here, 27.30? All right, that's where I wanted to sell one contract. That one contract wasn't meant to make me a lot of money. And as a matter of fact, when I get that fill, I only make about $100. That one contract was there just to protect me. Tesla had already dumped all the way down to my final target. I was just looking for one more quick little weak bounce into resistance that could maybe test the day's low. Okay, and if you look at the chart earlier, we scroll back in the video, you'll see that the volume was weak on the bounce. So look, I already got the fill. See, I got 3 contracts. I put an order out at 27.30. So there I am. There's my cursor over the sell to close. I click it. Put an order at 27.30. There's 27.30 on the ask. Boom, I got a fill. Okay. Some profits there at 27. And now, and I'm doing this live on the microphone at the daytraderchatroom.com. So in the Discord, there's a free Discord link down there in the description section, as well as a 30-day trial. You can check those out there if you like. You can come join us. I was on the mic talking to the team all throughout that. Now I get ready to put another order out on the ask. I think I'm all out of the trade already. No, I still had 2 there. So you can see here, I have an order here for $29, and I'll put that order out on the ask as well. Now I'm in these from 26.63 average. There we go. I get that fill at 29. And now I'm in just one last remaining contract. That one last remaining contract is the one that pays me out nicely. For that one, I put an order. Oh, it already got filled. That was really fast. So for that one, you see here, I have an order at $31 from $26.95. That was the last contract I purchased. Okay, so that's my last standing price there. You can see I'm already up $344 on those contracts there, and on just that one final piece. And we're still not at 31. There we go, 31 on the ask. My order goes out there, and you'll see now I catch a fill. Boom, done. That one's filled, and boom, there are my orders. There are my P&Ls. Nice winning day. So that was it, guys. It was one quick trade, but that specific setup there where I lined up the 9 EMA with a Fibonacci level and a daily level. I got a weak volume bounce back into it. Boom, grabbed my puts, wrote it down, didn't overstay my welcome, took profits, took profits, took profits. 3 different take profits, banged out a really nice day. It was about $800 on the day. I'll take that any day of the week. So let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what you traded. What was your best trade of the week? That one was probably by far my best trade this week, even though I did have another good day today on Friday. I don't know, there'd be a little bit competition there between both of them. Those alerts are still up in the Discord, so you can always check out all my old alerts there. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what your favorite trade of the week was for you. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I go live Monday, and I'll catch you on the next one.